This is a box. An ordinary box. A nice one, I must say. If I hadn't designed it and 3D printed myself, I wouldn't be making a video about it. But since I did, I'll show you my design process. First, I had a problem. I wanted to organize the clutter on my shelf. So I took measurements and instead of sketching my idea, I literally jumped into Fusion 360 and designed it. I just knew I wanted to do a pleated texture. Then I sent it to print and oops, it takes 22 hours and I don't have enough filament, no patience. So I scaled it. And after 3 hours, here we have a tiny box, which doesn't solve my problem at all, but it's in need of a lid. So I designed one. And 1 hour later, I noticed that it wasn't even printing properly because the filament got tangled. So I checked how much filament I had left, and unfortunately, I didn't have enough, so I had to change the color. And apparently, my design was wrong anyway. I fixed it, sent it to print, and 1 hour later, it was still wrong. Just sketch your designs and add proper measurements to prevent this, okay? Anyway, one last try, or I buy a regular box from a store. 1 hour later, it fits. But it needs to be higher to be easier to grab. But it's just like too late to print now. So on the next morning, I sent it to print and it was perfect. It only took like 5 attempts and like 8 to 10 hours to print. Anyway, I love this little box even though it doesn't solve my initial problem at all, like this old IKEA box does for now. But,